I'm stuck with you. I can't help it.
He put a ring on it.
Sakto yung tanong. R-rated.
Go.
Wag. Ako'y nalulugi lagi doon.
Get you a man who feeds you.
May ginagselas ako kay Leif naman ako.
Oh my God! Kasama to sa video, ah!
Oo nga eh. Ano lang, kasi parang hahatid ko, ayaw na pahatid. Parang...
Ba't si Lay?
Kasi...
Ang dami namin pwede.
Ang dami pwede. Sa kanya pa. What is my favorite sports team?
Lakers, pero hindi na.
Hindi ngayon.
Anywhere na wala si LeBron James. Basta wala si LeBron James.
How many children do I want?
You?
Malagay ay.
You want 2. And then 3 if parehas of the same gender. And then 4th.
If tatlong parehas.
Hindi. 4th yung
Last chance
yung
na.
last chance.
Last chance. If
Hindi
may
ba siya
tatlong...
accident baby?
Hindi. If tatlong boy or tatlong girl. Last chance para sa other gender.
Okay.
What may accident baby?
4.
2.
4.
4 ba?
Celebrity crush.
Emma Watson?
You?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Mine's Tom Felton. Hindi pwede. No. What would you change about you?
Your nose. Ay, joke lang.
Sana
na lang?
makuha ng kids natin. And then everything else for
Nah.
me. But then, super good si JV at getting me to feel less anxious. So, hindi ko alam kung sanay lang siya or talagang may effort.
Ice cream lang nga talaga yung trick yan.
Ay, sino unang iyak? Ako. Sino unang umiyak ng proposal?
Ako.
Siya din.
How would Bea propose to JV?
Okay. Alam mo yung... Wait. Alam mo yung nakita natin na TikTok na nagising na lang siya na may sing-sing na siya sa kamay. Ooh, how would you have proposed to me if hindi COVID?
Oh. I already told you this before. Pero,
Hindi.
hindi. Pero may dalawang plans ako before if hindi nag-COVID sana na pwede sana gawin.
Yeah.
Yung isa, first one, since Chinese ako, tapos si Bea hindi. Tapos plan ko sana sa punta kami ng China, tapos sa Great Wall ng China. Para kunyari, breaking down the Great Wall. Doon. Tapos yung second, mas hindi nakakatawa naman. Since favorite din niya yung Harry Potter, punta sa Japan, sa Universal, meron kasing isang attraction doon wherein pipili sila ng random people from the audience to get a wand, and then kakausapin ko sana sila na pipiliin si Bea. Siya yung pipili ng wand, tapos kung ano papagawa sa niya hanggang bibigay ko yung ring sa kanya. Pero nag-COVID, so sa bahay na lang. Have you ever hidden food from me? Yes.
Ako?
Yes.
From you?
Yeah.
I don't have to hide anything.
Oo nga. I have to give you food.
Yeah.
Wala akong matatago.
Best boyfriend / fiance / future husband. Like, yung last piece of the food always sa akin yun. Or if gusto ko yung food, kahit ayaw niya yung food ko, makikipagpalit siya.
Ako yung nalulugi lagi doon.
Get you a man who feeds you! What's my ideal vacation?
Someplace where you don't have to go out.
Saan yan?
Sa bahay lang. Stay at home, watch TV,
True.
eat ice cream.
True. Are you sad na I'm not more adventurous?
Magbe-beach trip tayo para magstay sa beach house.
So, ayaw mo naman ng super adventurous.
I'm stuck with you. I can't help it.
He put a ring on it. Do you remember the exact date of our first date?
Define first date.
Medyo weird nga kasi yung first date kasi hindi namin alam kung yung nagkita kami or yung... Oh my God, I don't know when that is.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Sobrang wala.
Alam mo saan?
Wala kaming kwenta. Pasto.
Nung nag-order ako ng isang bucket ng beer kasi akala ko...
Nag-order siya ng isang bucket ng beer kasi kala niya malakas ako uminom.
Akala ko marunong siya uminom.
Marunong
uminom!
Anyone who knows me knows that I only drink a maximum of 2
You drank one beer.
Maximum nga, diba? Anyway, so ininom niya yung 4.
5.
4.5.
Kailan strong tayo sa first date. Bawal weak.
Yung pinaka mapapromise ko na is I vow to always understand where you're coming from. Which is really a big deal for JV. Pero ang hirap kasi sabihin like small promises.
Yeah. Mag-iiba rin siya down the line.
Pero I think no matter how much I change, I still wanna always think about your feelings and understand your feelings.
And
So many feelings.
if you have feelings, I will buy you ice cream
And Kit Kat.
and Kit Kat.
Parang ang shallow.
What? It works!